May electric fan dyan ako. Bilang-bilang ko lang ang iguro electric fan ba?
Bukutanin yung kanila dyan sila yung fan, no?
Hindi makapag-iguro ka electric fan ko. Para
Yes, you go swimming. Gusto na sila naman.
Hindi lang sa Boracay para makatin mo.
Hindi, ma-destination wedding na kita.
Wala.
Ay, syempre, dapat no.
May I see your teeth? Wow, full of food. Man.
Maintindihan, nakikipagsapalaran sa buhay ng Uy, model! From Las Vegas, Nevada, Dennis Manturino Kabubuang. Dennis Manturino Tabura.
Oh, don't trust someone.
May pilot kung ayaw mo yung mahal.
Wala ka na sa tingin.
Ayaw mo kasi.
Backflip! Anton! Booster!
Highlighter!
Mas matandaan mo yung view.
Mas matandaan.
What? Kikipagsapalaran sa buhay na ang
Ayoko! Ako ka na ako!
Gitugnaw na ko. Gitugnaw na. Tama na? Wala pa gani 5 minutes. Tama na? Oo eh. On pa na, naka-on. Ah! Ayos. Gitugnaw.
May hitar man sa banyo.
Oh, nabitaw. Gitugnaw na ko, 2 minutes pa lang.
Daddy, may makulit na Davao ba? Galing kay Toril? Subong. Pero kung gusto mo po sa amon, hapon pa yaba.
First time nila nakatong. Iti, amo pang itong ampiyan.
Ano ka nila?
No, may galing din rin, no. Mga doktor pa ito nagkaragto. Sila, gusto mo yung food mo. Tapos, ang karami di kaya answered prayer di kaya before sa nag-ulan. Kasi di no pati ang natutok na pakita gid the whole of that. Tapos ang gabi tapos na kami dire nagbunda ka ulan.
Ay, di pa tapos na ka mo.
Tapos
na namin yung blessing.
Papabot here, June 1, 2024. I cannot help but share these thoughts to everybody today. I'm here at
Dito mukha ito si Ayag sina ko kani habi ko na kalato kay Mads Cabe. Pala.
this is our venue last night, May 31, 2024. This is a place on top of the mountain and facing another mountain, but it's not visible in 100% today. Well, anyway, yesterday she showed up very clearly and share her beauty. That's Mount Matutom, South Cotabato, viewed from Barangay Paraiso, Coronadal City, and that's the skyline of Coronadal City, South Cotabato. It's good that summer is already fading and we have still blooming flowers all over, also sharing their beauty to us. Well, I just had my bathroom cleansing, and this is the pool side for kids. I just want to share this because we can also experience this kind of ambience from other places, but this is very unique, you know. I was born here in South Cotabato, and growing up gazing at that Mount Matutom at the other town, Banga, South Cotabato. I was born there. Our house is located facing that mountain cone, half of that greets us each morning, and especially clear skies in the afternoon. I did not expect this to happen, but maybe stones and balls were falling into place for me and my family. Used to be only a mountain, a barangay, and deserted, but people